Hi guys, welcome and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Speedy Lifestyle. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, you are welcome. So guys, on today's video I'll be sharing on jobs that are available in Luxembourg, step-by-step demonstration on how you can find this job and apply to these jobs, recruitment agencies for these jobs, website to visit for these jobs in Luxembourg. So a free recruitment agency that you can use to get a job in Luxembourg. This is official government job portal for everything employment in Luxembourg. They also provide free job listing for overseas applicants. Also, all the jobs are genuine and you can also apply outside Europe. This will help you achieve your dream of migrating to Luxembourg. I'll also share some documents you need for you to be able to apply for your work visa. So we know in Luxembourg they speak different languages. They speak French, English, German and Luxembourgese. As long as you speak English, you will survive in Luxembourg. Luxembourg has very low tax rates, lower than most of the countries in Europe. So I'm going to be sharing my screen with you people. If you are yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button, like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. So let's just dive right into the video. So when you open the website, the first thing you will see, you will notice that all the languages are written in French. So you go ahead and change the language to English. You will see the Luxembourg job market, job seeker, employers, employees, job mobility, job board, more. Okay, so but our primary concern is for job seekers. We are seeking for jobs, so click on job seekers. So when you click on job seekers, you come down here, you will see currently looking for a job. Adam guides and advises you in your search by offering you services and coaching according to your needs. So you see register with Adam, apply for unemployment benefit, finding job offers, career planning, getting trained, creating or taking over a company, applying for a job, working with disabilities, beneficiary of international protection, financial aid and measures to facilitate labor market integration. Okay, so what we are looking for is we are looking for job. So finding job offers. So when you get to finding jobs, you will see check out Adam's job board, work in Luxembourg, job offer in Europe, check newspaper and website for job offer. So we just check on this one, check out Adam's job board. So okay, when you open it, you will see job seekers registered with Adam. Then you see job seekers not registered with Adam. Okay, so I can agree that we are not yet registered because before you could find a job, first of all register with the website. So we are not yet registered. Job seekers not registered with Adam. You click on it. So when you click on it, you see click here to consult job offer from Luxembourg on the Euros portal. So you click on it. When you click on it, you see European Employment Service. And you see home job seeker find a job. They have over 3 million jobs waiting for you. That's super amazing. And this is just filtered for Luxembourg. Okay, so all you need to do here is when you come here, search by keyword. Let's say that you have any job in mind. You come here and put any job in mind. Truck driver, for example. Truck driver, search. Okay, so you see truck shipments, different things related to driving or drivers. Okay, there's a lot. If you have any company in mind, any job title in mind, you just write. I just wrote this one now. You can go ahead to look for any. Let me just write home support, home care aid. Okay, home care aid. All you need to do is when you filter it, that's if you have anything in mind. But if you don't have any in mind, say you don't have any in mind, okay, you just leave it out to show you all the jobs that they have. Okay, so let me quickly say this. Publication date, if you have anyone in mind, you impute it here. Location, let's say in Luxembourg. you want to choose a particular region, you come here and put it. Okay, then you put the keywords, RS flag, with RS flag, without RS flag. Okay, this RS is European Union something something. Okay, so work schedule, you put it, just you exploring the whole app to suit in what you are looking for. Job requirement, language skill, experience, education level. So when you are done, let me just open one and let's explore. So this one is new. Okay, so project officer, I think this one is for university, but let's just open it. Search information system. We're going to give job overview, job sector, work schedule, contract type, occupation, number of posts. So they just posted the job starts 1st March 2025. Okay, job description. So you just come down here and look at them. Job level 2, you read them. About us, you read about the University of Luxembourg. It's an international research university with a distinctly multilingual and interdisciplinary character. So when you are done, the roles, activities and everything, okay, then you see the job location in Luxembourg. If you don't speak French, English, German, you can do with your English proficiency. Project manager, experience, education level. So how to apply, you can click on this. So this will take you outside this website. So you just click on this link here, and then you can apply. Job vacancy ID. Okay, so this is how you can easily apply. Let's quickly look at one more and see. So they posted this one this morning, updated on 12/02/2025. So job sector, fund management activities, contract type, hire, occupation, salary. So the job will start on the 26th of August 2024. Job description, you go ahead and read all of those and all that. How to apply, you go ahead and apply from here. So that is it. So let me quickly take us to document for application for this work permit. For you to get this work permit, there are documents that are required of you. Okay, so number one is Luxembourg CV format. See, you cannot be searching for job and you are using UK format, or you are using another format. Okay, you are not even using Euro CV, you are using Luxembourg CV format. All right, so you would also be needing passport, of course, minimum of 6 months validity. You also be needing photographs, education or professional qualification, Luxembourg job contracts, proof of flight tickets. Guys, I have a video on how you can book or make reservations without making payments, so you can as well look out for that video. I'll be linking it in the description of this video. Accommodation, visa free receipt, at least 80 euros. Okay, this is your visa application fee. Okay, police verification, medical and travel insurance, and VFS appointment page. Guys, I also have a video on VFS, how you can book appointment on VFS. Please check the description of this video for more details. Okay, so these are the things that you must need. Your CV is very, very important because they are not seeing you, so your CV is going to be your selling point. Moving forward, so the job websites that you'll be looking out for some of these jobs for Luxembourg. Okay, Adam LU government.site, this one that we just explored now. Okay, Adam public.lu, I'm putting it on the screen. Then the next one is moviejobs.com, jobs.lu, jobfinder.lu, ictjob.lu, Google Jobs, LinkedIn, econ.jobs.com, Stepstone. Okay, so look out for this job website if you really want to get more jobs in Luxembourg. So moving forward, 10 recruitment agencies. We have Randstad, we have Manpower, we have Robert Half, we have Michael Page, we have Bandit plus Clark, Hayes. Okay, we have Sofitex, Talcott Recruitment, we have Greenfield, Spring Professional, and James Woodman. Okay, there's a lot. So all these ones are job recruitment agency. It's high time lots of you start exploring LinkedIn. Very, very important. Explore LinkedIn app and thank me later. So if you find this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Good luck on your job search, and please don't make this video your last. Check the description of this video for more updates. See you guys on my next video. Ta-da!